How to use Dabble's Refer a Friend program, inviting friends and earning rewards. Now you can actually use Dabble's Refer a Friend or Invite Friends option. For that, hopefully both of you will earn some amount of bonuses. Once you launch the Dabble app, this is the type of interface that you will be able to see. At the very top of the screen, you can see this little account with the referral like icon when you tap on it. So basically it will ask me who told me about Dabble. So here, if I enter the username of the person who referred me and told me about Dabble, and then I just hit the next option, then they will receive $10 in their account as well, and I will also receive $10 in my account just because the other person referred me, and then I entered the username right here. Now if you're already logged in, you can also refer someone using a username, or you can go to your account icon and you can go to Refer a Friend section to find your referral link. And when friends sign up using your link, they will be automatically linked to your referral, which means both of you will be able to earn some amount of bonuses. I hope that this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.